Our subject motto is Mathematics Made Simple. Now, we've been looking at equations and inequations. That is the topic we are looking at. We looked at subject of the formula. Now we are moving to equations in one unknown. We are looking at equations in one unknown. What is an equation? An equation is a statement that the values of two mathematical expressions are indicated with an equals. So, when you are given an equation, it means that it is an open sentence. But what we are supposed to do is to make it into a true statement. So we have solved the following equations. We have x plus 5 is equals to 12. So in short, this x plus 5 is an open sentence, but we have to make it true by finding the value of x that is going to make this into a true statement. So what are we supposed to do? We introduce the additive inverse of 5 on both sides, which is negative 5. So introduce negative 5 on both sides so that 5 minus 5 will give us a 0. So 5 minus 5 is giving us a 0. 12 minus 5 is giving us a what? A 7. As simple as that. Second example, we have 7 plus x is equals to 2. This is an open statement. It is open. Our duty is to make it true by finding the value of what? Of x. So our solution is, what are we supposed to do? Introduce the additive inverse of 7, which is a negative 7. Introduce negative 7 on both sides. So 7 minus 7 will give us a 0. 2 minus 7, when you are given integers are negative and positive numbers including 0. When the signs are different, what are you supposed to do? Subtract the numbers and put the sign of the bigger number. So our x is equals to what? Negative 5. So that when we replace or substitute a negative 5 here, it's going to be a true sentence. 7 minus 5 will give us a 2. As simple as that. Let's go to the next example. We have 4x is equals to 12. To find the value of x, what we are supposed to do is to divide both sides by the coefficient. When you are given a number and a letter, this is called a term. And the value of 4, this 4, the number before the letter is known as the coefficient. So we'll divide both sides by the coefficient, which is 4. Our x will be equals to what? To 3. So the 4x is equals to 12 is an open sentence. To make it true, we have to replace 3 where there's x, so that when we multiply 4 times 3, we are going to get a 12. As simple as that. Then we have 3x is equals to 21. When you are given a term where you have a number and a letter, divide both sides by the coefficient. Our coefficient is what? Is 3. So divide both sides by 3. So I'm saying 3 into 3 is giving me a 1. 3 into 21 is giving us what? A 7. So this 3x is equals to 21 is an open statement. Your duty is to make it true by finding the value of x, which will give us a true sentence. So if I multiply 3 times 7, what am I going to get? 21. As simple as that. Let's look at the last one. Last but not the least, we have x divided by 2 is equals to 15. So what you're supposed to do here is to express this 15 as a common fraction by putting a denominator what? 1. And then we'll do what? Cross multiply. So I'm saying x times 1 is equals to what? 2 times 15. When you multiply x times 1, you're going to get x. 2 times 15 is giving us a 30. Therefore, x is equals to 30. X divided by 2 is equals to 15 is an open statement. But when we substitute 30 here, 30 divided by 2 will give us what? 15. As simple as that. Let's go to our exercise. Our exercise is saying solve the following equations. We have x plus 3 is equals to 8. 8 plus x is equals to 15. 8x minus 24 is equals to 0. B minus 14 is equals to 16 minus 2b. 6x minus 11 is equals to 19. So all these are open sentences. Your duty is to make them into true statement. Hope to see your solutions soon.